Hi guys, this is Victor from Web Automation, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily scrape the most popular Reddit forum, Wallstreetbets, in a few seconds using predefined extractors. So the very first thing you need to do is obviously sign up for an account on Web Automation. I'll put the link in description, but I already have signed up for one. Then we're going to navigate to our library, where we have a list of all the predefined extractors, and I will search for Reddit. And this will take me to the Reddit Wall Street scraper. So it takes me on the landing page where I have a bunch of information about what the scraper can do and what kind of information I can get out of the scraper. But essentially, it's just scraping the Wallstreetbets section of Reddit. So I'm going to click use for free. And I need to activate once I'm inside the app to confirm I want to go ahead. For this particular predefined extractor, it's already configured to scrape exactly the information on the Wallstreetbets forum. So I don't need to add much information. The only thing I can do is change the variables. So as a default, you can see the maximum post we've put is 50, but we can specify how many posts from that subreddit we want to scrape. I'll leave it at the default, and I'll just run the scraper now. Great, so we can see it started scraping. We'll give it a couple of minutes, and we'll come back and we'll have a look and see what the results look like. Okay, so it only took us a couple of minutes, and I can see it's scraped 64 rows, so we can download the data. We've got different file formats to export the data, but I'm going to choose Excel as I have that open already, and save it onto my local drive. And let's open up the spreadsheet to have a look and see what data we have from Reddit. So there we go. So we can see I have the exact time, the date, the hour this was posted on, the link to the actual post. We have some more information, the text, title, an even number of votes, and the ID. So I've shown you in very few clicks how you can easily export data from the Wallstreetbets subreddit. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, send an email to info@webautomation.io or put some comments in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you at the next video.